craving bananas because of this traffic jam.
You want some?
Have you got nuts?
Yeah, I have some today.
Oh, you've completely lost it.
I've not lost anything today.
I'm losing my cool now.
We've got some ice if you like.
I'll go bonkers. Hey, why is your face like a wet weekend?
Wet weekend?
I mean to say, why are you feeling blue?
Yeah, I am wearing a blue shirt.
Oh, I mean to say, why are you down in the dumps?
This is not a dam.
Why are you down in the mouth?
Down? In the mouth?
I don't think he'll understand. Oh, have I reduced you to tears? Why are you crying your heart out? I'm extremely sorry. Hope no one wishes to be in such an embarrassing situation. Before someone feels you are not the sharpest tool in the shed like him, let's explore the meanings and usage of the idioms in our daily lives. Let's begin with the idioms expressing anger or excitement. First one being go bananas. It means to behave in a crazy manner. As you can see, I am behaving in a crazy manner. It expresses excitement or anger. This expression is considered a slang and used in informal context. For example, I say, I went bananas when I met Hugh Grant. This expresses excitement. And if I say Kate went bananas seeing the mess on the Titanic, this sentence expresses agitation or anger. Our second idiom is go nuts. It means to act in a wild or crazy manner because of strong emotion. I'll go nuts if the strike pursues for long, expresses extreme frustration. The crowd went nuts when Angelina Jolie appeared on the stage, expresses craze and excitement. Our third idiom says lose it. It expresses an outburst of one's feelings in form of anger, laughter, or yelling. It's an emotion which is clearly visible and mainly associated with anger. Scarlett completely lost it when I broke her phone. Our fourth idiom resembles our third idiom, that is lose it, and it is lose your cool, which again means to become visibly angry or enraged, or to lose control of one's composure or temper. Usage in a sentence is director had to keep a close eye on Sandra to ensure she didn't lose her cool during the shoot of Gravity. Or Brad Pitt will lose his cool if this noise continues. Our last idiom of this category is go bonkers, which means to go crazy, be elated, become wild, angry, or go bananas. Catherine went bonkers when she won the match, expresses joy, exultation. But if I say Nicole goes bonkers if someone litters on the road, this is an expression of anger. Now proceeding with our second category of idioms which express sadness or depression. First, down in the dumps, used to describe a person's mood rather than appearance. For example, Sania Mirza seemed to be down in the dumps as she lost the match. Second idiom is feeling blue. As the name depicts, the color blue is associated with depression or bad mood. The point to be noted here is we can use the phrase feeling blue when talking about ourselves or others, but the phrase having the blues is usually used to speak about others. Like Salman Khan has the blues today, whereas I was feeling blue yesterday because of shifting. Our third idiom, depicting sadness is face like a wet weekend. And the fourth says down in the mouth. Both the idioms describe the looks of a person who looks unhappy. It can be compared to someone whose weekend plans have been ruined. For example, Leonardo's face was like a wet weekend when the movie flopped. Our last idiom of this category is reduce to tears or cry one's eyes out. That means to make someone cry or to make them unhappy. Julia Roberts was reduced to tears by audience.
Your feedback and comments are indispensable for us. Please share if you like and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Learn for life, not for exams. Keep exploring, keep sharing till our next video. Till then, bye.